Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, Jaguar XF, 2.2 diesel premium luxury automatic, 59,000 miles, 11 services, cam belt replaced at 42,000 miles. My favourite, British racing green with barley leather trim or oatmeal leather trim. What a pretty car. So premium luxury, nice spec, 2.2 diesel, 59,000 miles, spot on. 11 services, unbelievable service history. So serviced at 13, 26, 35, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43, 45 and 53,000 miles. Now done 59,000 miles. 11 services. Reverse camera, rear park sensors, brand new tyres on the back, unmarked alloy wheels, keyless entry. Now, rear privacy glass. Oh, that's smart. Rear privacy glass, that's why it looks so good. Chrome power vents, extra. Unmarked alloy wheels, brand new front disc and pads. Front park sensors, headlamp washers, daytime running lights. Very, very, very few stone chips. £7,995. So yeah, wow, look in there. We do have the fitted mats that just been washed at work. Absolutely gorgeous. Satin wood. Memories for the driver's seat, paddle change, multifunction leather steering wheel, electric steering column, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control. What a beautiful, beautiful car this is. Yeah, unusual to have privacy glass. I think it really suits this car. It's not too dark. Super, super clean. Icing on the cake will be if it has a space saver spare wheel. I think it was an optional extra. Right, so super clean in there. Okay, this has the levers for fold down. So through load facility, the rear seats fold, quite unusual. All space saver spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace, lovely. Another brand new rear tyre, no dents, no scratches. Two more unmarked alloy wheels. This car comes with 2 keys. Look at that. What a pretty thing. Lovely alloy wheel. Another very nice alloy wheel. New discs on the front, new pads on the front. Keyless entry, keyless start. Got the little squares on the door handle for the keyless entry. Electric mirrors, folding mirrors, heated mirrors, memories for the driver's seat. Leather on the driver's seat, absolutely perfect, like new, not worn or tatty at all. Just show you the reverse camera. So we got the sat nav on. Shame the sun's in our eyes, but what's happened to my camera? It's going to be balmy. But it has got a big clear reverse camera. That's really nice. Obviously we have electric seats, memory seats, heated seats. We'll have DAB digital radio. DAB digital radio, there it is. Phone. You have your climate control on there. Go back to your satellite navigation. Super, super, super. 59,585 miles. Electric handbrake, extra connectivity in there, USB, etc. Beautiful, beautiful condition. All that for £7,995. Low mileage, mega history, lovely spec, lovely condition. Don't think this will be around long. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other XFs in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos. You can have a thumb through those we've produced over the last couple of years. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, you will get a little notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'd be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.